Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video session we will learn how to change the input text color. So in a web page when we have an input text box which gives the option for the user to enter some text. So user can enter the text in a text box, and if I wanted to change the color of the text which is written in a text box, then how I'm going to achieve it. That's what we're going to learn today. So how to change input text color. So I will open the HTML document. Firstly, I will create here text boxes. Say for example, I'm writing here first name. I will create an input text box. And I will close this. So I have created a text box here. I will create another label and text box. Last one. So I have two text boxes on my HTML page. I will run the page in the browser. So I have here two text boxes, and if I write some text here, so it is going to display in black color, default black color. So if I wanted to change the color of this text which is written in the text box, then what we are going to do is we are going to apply a style here. So I will we have to give the style to input. So I will define a style here for an input. I will give the color as, say for example, red. I will save the HTML document. I will refresh the page. So if I type something here, it will come in red. So this is how we change the color of input text. This is one method. Second method is to apply a class. Say for example, we apply class here, say last name, and this class I will give a style here, create a new style, give the color as blue. We'll save the document, I will run it. So if I type something here, it is in blue, this is in red. This is in blue because we have given a class here, last name, for this input element, and this class has a style of color blue. So that is the reason our second text box is displaying in blue color and the first one is displaying in red color. The red color one doesn't have the class, so the input style has been applied to the first element. Second element has the class last name. We have created a style here, last name. So this is applying the class actually. So these are the two ways we can give different color to the text boxes, the text in the text boxes. So this was it for this video session. So here we have learned how to change input text color. So hope you have understood the concept. Thanks for watching.